Welcome to another episode of Tax Talk and Hustle, where we blend tax education with real business strategy for the modern day entrepreneur. I'm your host, ShaTonda Porter, and today we'll explore three essential digital products every tax professional should consider selling to enhance their business. These products not only generate passive income, but also help you differentiate yourself and expand your practice throughout the year, not just during tax season. Let's dive into these valuable offerings that can drive your success as a tax pro and elevate your brand in the industry. Why digital products matter for tax pros. First, let's get something straight. Tax season is short, but digital products sell all year. Most tax professionals focus on the filing months, and once April hits, their revenue dries up. But with digital products, you can create content once and sell it over and over again. You're already solving problems for your clients, helping them organize documents, understand deductions, avoid audits, or start businesses. Now imagine if you turned those solutions into downloadable resources and sold them 24/7. That's the power of digital products. They don't require a storefront, employees, or inventory, just your expertise packaged the right way. The first type of digital product every tax pro should be selling is client-facing templates and checklists. These are resources that help your clients stay organized, educated, and compliant. Examples include new client intake forms, tax deduction checklists, especially for self-employed or 1099 workers, document organizers by filing status first-time filer guides, how-to guides for creating IRS accounts or pulling wage transcripts. You can design these in Canva, export them as PDFs, and sell them on Etsy, Payhip, Shopify, or directly from your own website. Not only do these products help clients, but they also reduce the time you spend answering the same questions over and over again. They create efficiency and income at the same time. Product number 2 is where the real leverage comes in, tools for other tax professionals. If you've figured out how to run your business more effectively, automate your onboarding, or upsell services, that knowledge is valuable. Turn it into training workbooks, office startup bundles, service bureau setup guides, bank product explainers, practice return scenarios. Tax pros are looking for shortcuts, not in compliance, but in systems. They want to know how to set up workflows, structure pricing, or get new clients. If you have experience and know-how, package it up and sell it. This is where white label and PLR content comes in. You create once and your buyers can brand and resell it, which gives your product even more value. The third digital product every tax pro should sell is a mini course or virtual workshop. Now, before you get overwhelmed, this doesn't mean you need a fancy studio or expensive software. You can create a basic course using screen recordings, voiceover slides, or even recorded Zoom sessions. Course topic ideas: how to file taxes as a gig worker, how to apply for a PTN and EFIN small business tax basics, how to avoid tax audits, how to become a notary or loan signing agent. These courses don't have to be long. People want bite-sized knowledge they can apply quickly. And the beauty is, once you record it and upload it, you can sell it over and over again. Platforms like Teachable, Payhip, Thinkific, or even Google Drive with a payment button can help you get started. No monthly fees required if you want to start lean. Here's the bottom line. If you're a tax pro in 2025 and you're not selling digital products, you're leaving money on the table. You're already solving problems, you already have the knowledge, and the market is hungry for trusted voices who can make taxes, money, and business make sense. Start with one product, don't overthink it, create something helpful, price it fairly, and start sharing it online. Over time, your digital catalog will grow, your income will diversify, and your reputation will solidify as a trusted authority, not just during tax season, but year-round. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Tax Talk and Hustle. If you're ready to launch your own digital product line or want access to editable templates and done-for-you content, check out KFS Marketplace on Shopify or find us on Etsy. We've got PLR toolkits, tax pro resources, and full business bundles to help you hit the ground running. Be sure to follow the podcast, leave a review, and share this episode with another tax pro or hustler who's ready to monetize their knowledge. Until next time, keep your taxes tight and your digital game even tighter.